I'm going to show you how to make an easy taco night recipe, but it's pasta instead of your normal tacos. So we're going to start out with a pound of ground beef, and I turned my pot to the saute setting, let it warm up, and then I added in the ground beef, as well as a half cup of chopped onion and a jalapeno, draining off the grease using the method with paper towels. And then I'm going to season up the beef with some salt and pepper. Stir that in. Now I'm going to pour in 2 cups of water and then add in 2 teaspoons of the Better Than Bouillon beef paste to give it some flavor. Before I do that, I'm going to scrape the bottom of the pot so that nothing's sticking. That way you won't get the burn message. And now I'm adding in that Better Than Bouillon. I'm going to add in some more seasoning, some cumin, garlic powder, and then some chili powder. And I'm going to add in 8 ounces of the bowtie pasta. I'm just measuring it out to make sure I get exactly 8 ounces. And you're not going to stir that in, you'll just kind of just layer it on the top. Then add in some salsa and a can of diced green chilies. And finally a can of pinto beans. And we're going to pressure cook this for 5 minutes on high pressure. And then wait for 5 to 10 minutes after it's done to release the remaining pressure and give it a good stir. And then shred up 4 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese and stir that in. You can also use another type of cheese like Colby Jack, Monterey Jack, a Mexican blend, whatever you have on hand. I do like to shred it off the block if possible, just because it melts better and doesn't have those like caking agents in it. And then here we go, here's dinner. You can serve this with a dollop of sour cream on top. It's really good. Enjoy.